Okay, traders, today is Monday and I came out for the sake of lights. I'm in my dad's supermarket. My dad has a supermarket with over how many employees? I don't know how many they are. Plus me, I'm also an employee, but uh, I've looked at the chart. Usually, I don't like to trade on Mondays because Mondays usually there's always a lot of fake outs, and I'm already seeing a fake out already. That previously I would have wanted to take that trade, and definitely I would have gotten stop out. So I'll just show you on the chart. I was do a video clip, a quick video of the trade that I would have taken in my previous life or my previous time. Mondays are always good days. So yeah, let us see. I don't trade today, but I just used to watch the market like I make in the previous video. What I do right on Mondays, I watch the market. I watch out for news. And let me just go to the chart and show you guys those things. So this is one of those trades that usually always turn out to be a fake out. It is GPP AUD. I would have taken this trade previously. Like in the past, I would have been the guy that was taking this kind of trade. But let me show you guys it. So we can see on GPP AUD, remember I just trade simple, price action, support resistance, trend line, and all those things. So we can see how market has actually come to a level. We can see this uptrend, right, pullback, reshuffle, and then market have come to a test here because it didn't retest it over here, and look guys retesting. Now we can see on the 1 hour time frame this kind of candle here. A lot of people have gotten in. I want to get in here and maybe target 1 to 2 or whatever, and then you can see this messing around. It's probably not going to move up. It can move up later, but you can see this thing here, this fake movement is always making. Check out on 2 hour. It just always does this a lot of times. This market now is probably going to come down and hit you at stop loss because this is Monday. That's why I don't actually trade this. Now another one that is also like that I also did like that is the USD CHF. All right, so USD CHF, you can see downtrend, you can see clear downtrend, you can see the trend line and also a key level. This thing is a key level on the 4 hour. You can see this engulfing and double bottom top, and now you get what you're seeing is fake market probably come and rally and smash everybody out. So and it's also slow, or I'd say this like 4 hours over here. This is why I don't trade on Mondays. So yeah guys, I'll keep you guys updated. So what's up guys, today is Tuesday the 11th of November, what am I saying? And actually from yesterday I broke my rule and I traded on Mondays, as I'm not supposed to be trading on Monday actually. So I need to actually find kind of like a sort of like a punishment I give to myself if I break my rules. I don't know what that would be. Yeah, I need to do something like that. But anyway, it was US oil. It was but the trade was amongst my my setup. The only thing is that it was not my day I usually should be trading, which is Monday, and that's why we had the kind of pullback, aggressive pullback. I hit my break even. I still think US oil is going to tank. I made it in my previous video that US oil, I'm looking to sell US oil. So I hoped it was going to be yesterday, but seems like it's going to be today instead. But yesterday it went pretty much good in profit. Then I put break even. And then next thing I came back, I saw my break even has been hit. My market has been hit as break even. But today is the day I will be trading. Tuesday, looking out for AUD CAD. The only problem I have is I have two problems actually. One I will tell you, and the other I will tell you on the chart actually. One is that today's bank holidays from like about 3 banks, like it's US bank holiday, Canadian bank holiday, and a French bank holiday. And like French bank holiday. So, and bank holidays usually sometimes, I don't know, from my experience, sometimes market will still move, sometimes market will not move. You cannot really know, but I've seen my setup on AUD CAD for sales and I'm looking out for selling. I also mentioned in my video I'm looking to sell AUD CAD. So I've seen what I needed to see, everything. Let's go to the chart, I'll show you guys. All right. So this is the trade I've been looking out for, and AUD CAD. So why did I take this trade? It's simple. You can see this market has broken structure. Right, broke this one. You can see this down trend movement, so I expect the market has pulled back to a fib level. You can see this is a fib level, and the 6150 fib level, which is always a perfect one. and then we expect it to rally down to the downside to break here and our target here. So engulfing candle on the early time frame, and then once it pulled back, I got in, and that's simple. Nothing else, nothing. Simple price action. So let's see how it goes. Downtrend, engulfing candle, all these things are all happening in an area of interest. So let's see how it goes, guys. All right, folks. Updates on the trade of yesterday. As I said earlier on that yesterday was bank holiday, and I was expecting the market was going to be slow. And I was expecting it. Why I'm still I don't have enough data based on trading or during bank holidays, because sometimes market will move, sometimes market will not move. It's just like a 50-50 something, so you really do not know, right? So but when I see my setup, I still just get in. So I saw all the cards set up and I still just got in. That was Tuesday yesterday. So yesterday on Tuesday. So today is Wednesday, and I swinged it yesterday. I held it overnight, which I really don't like to do, but I can do. If I still see potential for the trade right now, it's in my stop loss zone, but I still think market is still going to head to the downside because structure is still respecting structures, everything is still intact. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All the card still, I'm expecting for it to still sell. So let's see how it goes. Today's Wednesday, no news, nothing, everything's clear. So let's see how the weather is going to be. So guys, I'm going to be showing you people the exact trade AUD card. Though I've closed the trade in partial loss because it's beginning to not give me, I'm beginning not to like it again. All right, it's giving me patterns I don't like again. All right, it's looking very skeptical now, and I got out of the trading loss and just little loss. So I'll show you guys the trade right now. So you can see this is the trade. I was in on this trade, stop loss, the profit, but then we had this, we already pushing down. I woke up, I saw it was down, and now we've closed above here again, which I don't like. I don't like this at all, honestly. I don't like this kind of movement. All right, so I think AUD card is just finding difficulty to push to the downside, but there's going to be news by 1 a.m. tomorrow. That is Thursday on the AUD, on the Australian dollar. So maybe that's when we can see what's going to happen. But right now, I don't like this. All right, we are having still bullish candles. I don't like it. Though we are still in the downtrend, I'm not seeing anything that have changed the trend. But I don't like this trade anymore. That's just it. Sometimes it's just when you don't like the trade, you just leave that trade. All right, whether in loss or in profit. I don't sit down and get false hopes that it's going to reverse. Except I've not seen reason to close, but there was reason to close this trade, and I just got out of this market. Right, folks, today is Thursday, and as I was saying yesterday, AUD card was not looking very appealing again, and I got out of the trade, and only to wake up this morning and saw a very big spike to the upside. Like it absolutely went out of my direction. So that is the thing about trading. If you see something that probably you because while there are things that make you enter a trade, there are things that also make you not enter a trade. So you should also pay attention to those sort of things that will let you know, or that are telling you not to get into a trade. I have mine, you might have yours, but always try to pay attention to those things too that probably are saying, hey guy, don't enter this trade, or hey girl, don't enter this trade. And a AUD card, I thank God I closed it in a partial loss. I was looking at it, I was like, no, this thing is not going to go anywhere again. I was seeing engulfing candles to the upside. I was seeing mini break of structures on the lower time frame. I was like, nah, I'm getting out of this trade instead of staying there hoping that it goes down to my direction, because I was looking to sell. So I'll show you guys a picture about AUD card. I'm looking to enjoy and to enter NZD-JPY. I like the way it's looking. It's looking like it's an uptrend, not looking like it's an uptrend. It's giving me a channel, a down channel, broken down channel. But my only thing is that it might not get back to my entry where I would like to enter. There's a price I like to enter. I think that is 87.466 or thereabout to now buy. But the way it's really, some kind of market are really buying. Like sometimes they come down to your direction, but sometimes they just keep on buying and leave you out there. But it's going to be fine though. As far as it didn't get to my price, it didn't get to where I want to buy from, it's fine. All right, so NZD-JPY. Today is Saturday, and the trading week is already ended. This week was not a profitable one, but it was a losing week, but the losses were very was I checked out because usually if I follow my rules, in fact this should be the same for everybody. If you follow your rules, you see everything played out as you wanted it to play out, and then that is a good loss for me. Alright, I've been a trader said this and I've also accepted that if I follow everything I'm supposed to follow, then that'll be a good loss for me. But the only one I didn't follow was the one I think on Friday. That was yesterday. USD CAD. USD CAD. Yes, just with the trend. Yes, just in an area of interest, but entry. It didn't give me an entry. I just thought that it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up because my entry is usually an engulfing candle or some chart pattern, but it didn't show any of that. But because of how the daily ended, which I shouldn't judge by the day because I'm not I'm not a push-on trader. Daily can just give me a clue, but I need to find entry on my lower time frame to enter, which I didn't find, but I still got into the trade and I hit stop loss. Yes, so that was the only trade that I didn't like. I didn't go according to my rules. But I'll try this week and next week to be much better on that trade, on that kind of aspect. So yeah, I'll show you guys the trade. Here's the card.